Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2018 Infiniti Q50 Lux all-wheel drive that we have for sale. This one was just retired out of our loaner car fleet. The way that works is we'll pick a new car out of our new car inventory, we'll put it in our loaner car fleet for a year, and it's loaned out to our Infiniti service customers. One of the benefits of being a new Infiniti customer or certified pre-owned Infiniti customer is that you get complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicles for extended stays, like this beautiful example. So after a year, we retire them and then we make them for sale as certified pre-owned vehicles. So it's been in its care, it's been in our care its whole life. We've done the maintenance to it. It's in beautiful shape, of only 14,472 miles, and now it's available for you to purchase. If you're happening to look for a Q50, 2018 is a great year because it got some substantial revisions. We have the original build sheet on this one, $50,825. Very nicely equipped with features. It's very well equipped. Probably a lot more equipment than most of the 2018 you'll see for sale, so make sure you look at all the features, make sure you're comparing apples to apples. I'll kind of go over some of the big ticket features. $50,825 original MSRP. This one has the essential package, $2,650 option. That gives you Infiniti voice recognition. It gives you navigation, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 60/40 split fold down rear seat, driver seat power lumbar, and remote engine start. Then it has the Pro Assista package. That was a $1,650 option, blind spot warning with rear cross traffic alert, rear backup collision intervention. So when you're backing up, if a pedestrian walks behind you or a vehicle drives behind you while you're backing up, it will automatically hit the brakes. It gives you an around view monitor, which is a 360-degree around view camera with moving object detection, front and rear parking sensors. It has predictive forward collision warning and forward emergency braking. Then we have the Sensory package. That was a $2,950 option, giving you a Bose Performance Series 16 speaker surround sound system. It gives you leather pointed seats. Leather is standard, leather is optional, like this one has. It gives you a power tilt telescoping steering wheel, dual occupant memory for driver's seat, steering wheel column and outside mirrors. It gives you an advanced climate control system that cleans and filters the air, enhanced interior ambient lighting, and auto dimming outside mirrors. The illuminated kick plates was a $495 option. So those are kind of the big ticket features you get in this Q50. As you can see, it's very well equipped with features. Beautiful wood interior trim. I love this contrast stitching. So for 2018 on the interior, they made some upgrades to the look of the interior. You have like this synthetic leather and contrast stitching on the dashboard. That was not available on the older Q50s. You get a little bit different design on the steering wheel. This is usually the steering wheel you'd normally find in the Q60. Well, in 2018, the Q50 got an upgrade to the steering wheel, so it has the same new style steering wheel that you'd see in the Q60. Other features, heated seats, as we mentioned before, heated steering wheel. You have a dual display system. The Infiniti Q50 is actually one of the first vehicles of its kind to have a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation, parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle setting and apps. Really nice color combination in white on black leather. White is such an easy color to take care of. I try to get white cars myself. I've owned many. Scratches and surface imperfections, which inevitably are going to happen as the years and miles roll along, don't seem to show up quite as much on a white car versus a black car, which seems to show everything, especially in direct sunlight. Even though the Q50 is considered a compact vehicle, doesn't necessarily feel compact on the inside. I have a good amount of legroom back here. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. I have the back in the back seat, so you have a 6'2" person sitting there. The front seat, 6'2" person can comfortably sit behind that person as well, and my knees are not bumping the back of that front seat. This Q50 also features intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. The reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. The reason why they do that is if the all-wheel drive system is constantly working all the time, it's going to reduce your gas mileage, it's going to chew through your tires faster. And plus, this is also a performance sedan, so giving you 100% rear-wheel drive bias during normal driving conditions. It's going to give you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. But this Q50 has a brain that's always monitoring driving conditions, so as soon as those rear wheels slip, almost instantly it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheel. So it really improves your wet weather performance. And if you're going to drive in the snow, you're definitely going to do better with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. These come standard with rear-wheel drive. Intelligent all-wheel drive is optional, and usually in our neck of the woods most people get these with all-wheel drive. Then we have all-season mats, cargo area protector. The exterior is also restyled for 2018, so you have a restyled rear of the Q50, and the front end was restyled as well. Definitely looks a lot better. You have a new alloy wheel design as well for 2018. The heart of the Q50 is a VR30 twin turbo engine, makes 300 horsepower. This is a new engine for 2016. It really is smooth, lots of low end power, and it's more fuel efficient than the older 3.7 liter V6 it replaces. Really is an amazing engine. It also features direct injection, which sends highly pressurized gas directly into the combustion chamber. Generally that gives you lower emissions, better fuel economy, and more horsepower. This is also a certified pre-owned Infiniti, which you can only get from a new Infiniti retailer like us. So when you buy a certified pre-owned Infiniti, you're going to get all the benefits you normally would as buying a new Infiniti. You get roadside assistance for the duration of that Infiniti certified warranty, which is 6 years, 75,000 miles. You also get a certified warranty that covers about 1,400 components, and you get a complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicle for extended service days. Like this used to be a service loaner car, so you'd get loaned a beautiful car like this if your vehicle is in service for generally longer than an hour or two. Great benefits, and then your first year of basic maintenance is also complimentary. And that certified warranty, all those benefits, they're good at any Infiniti store in the United States. If you're in the market for a low mileage Q50 with great equipment and all-wheel drive, this recently retired loaner car is definitely worth a look. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon.